Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're going to analyze the GBPUSD pair, considering both the news and the charts to get a comprehensive picture. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook for the GBPUSD pair. While some sources highlight the US dollar's rebound and the GBPUSD's subsequent losses, others point to potential support levels preventing significant declines. The overall market sentiment appears relatively neutral, with conflicting forecasts predicting both upward and downward movements. Let's start with the daily chart. We see a recent period of consolidation following a notable price increase. Notice the price action around the 1.24 level, which seems to be acting as a key support level. The increase in volume around this price point further reinforces its importance. The 1.22 level could also act as a support in case of a further correction. On the other hand, if the GBPUSD pair breaks above the recent resistance level near 1.25, it would signal further bullish potential. This would be enhanced by increasing volume. Now, let's narrow our focus to the last week on the daily chart. Here, we can observe some short-term volatility, but the overall trend seems to remain slightly bullish. The recent close above the 50-day SMA is a positive sign, supporting this bullish sentiment. Switching to the hourly chart, we can see a more granular view of these short-term fluctuations. The recent price movement shows some resistance around the 1.245 level and support near 1.24. The presence of multiple support levels suggests a potential for continued bullish activity. Let's examine the 15-minute chart. This time frame provides even more detail, showing short-term fluctuations. Here, we can identify smaller support and resistance levels, which traders use to execute short-term trades. We can also spot some possible patterns, such as head and shoulders patterns, providing short-term trading signals. Looking back at the daily chart, the relatively low volume in recent days compared to earlier periods may suggest a decrease in market activity or a period of consolidation, and could signal an upcoming trend change in the GBPUSD. This can be verified by looking at the hourly chart. In summary, the GBPUSD shows a somewhat bullish short-term trend, with key support levels near 1.24 and 1.22 and resistance near 1.25. However, low volume in recent days suggests that the market might be less active and suggests potential for upcoming trend reversal. In the short term, it is likely that the price will consolidate between 1.24 and 1.25, with a 60% chance of a minor break above the 1.25 resistance and 40% chance of testing the support at 1.24 based on current market trends. The hourly chart supports this view, displaying short-term volatility around 1.24 but with an overall slightly bullish bias. The 15-minute chart can provide more detailed short-term signals, allowing for more precise trades, and we would need to observe patterns for better accuracy in short-term predictions. Therefore, traders should closely monitor the 1.24, 1.25 levels and the volume changes to confirm any signal. A strong break above 1.25 with high volume would confirm the bullish trend, while a break below 1.24 with increasing volume would increase the likelihood of a short-term bearish trend.